Welcome to our deep dive into AI and cybersecurity. Today, we're dissecting a crucial aspect of the Zero Trust architecture, Tenet 4. This principle is all about how access to resources is granted, ensuring it's always dynamic and based on real-time conditions. Zero Trust isn't about trusting anyone or anything. It's about verifying every request. Tenet 4 specifies that resource access isn't static. It's constantly reevaluated based on a comprehensive set of factors. This is crucial for protecting sensitive data in today's complex digital landscape. At its core, Tenet 4 states that access to resources is determined by a dynamic policy. This means the rules for who gets to see or use what are not set in stone. They adapt and change in real time based on the context of the request. One key element of this dynamic policy is the observable state of the client identity. Is the user who they claim to be? Has their identity been compromised? Similarly, the state of the application or service requesting access is also considered. Is it patched? Is it exhibiting unusual behavior? Beyond the client and application, the requesting asset itself plays a critical role. This refers to the device or endpoint from which the access request originates. Its observable state, such as its security posture, location, and configuration, is continuously assessed to ensure it meets policy requirements. Furthermore, dynamic policy may include other behavioral attributes. This means observing patterns of activity. Is this user typically accessing this resource at this time of day? Is their behavior consistent with their usual patterns? Any deviation can trigger a policy reevaluation. Finally, environmental attributes come into play. This includes factors like network conditions, time of day, geographical location, and even the type of data being accessed. All these elements contribute to a holistic assessment of the risk associated with an access request. The essence of Tenet 4 is continuous evaluation. Access is not a one-time grant. It's constantly monitored and reevaluated based on the evolving state of the client, application, asset, and environment. This ensures that even if conditions change mid-session, access is revoked if necessary. In summary, AI Zero Trust Tenet 4 emphasizes that access to resources is always dynamic and context-aware. By leveraging real-time data on identity, application, asset, behavior, and environment, organizations can build more resilient and adaptable security postures. This is the future of secure access.